Hey friends, if you encounter network security mismatch error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Before anything else, just check the password again, and I'll tell you the best way to do that. So, open the Wi-Fi connections here, right click on it, and forget the network. Now, try connecting again. Okay, wait for a few seconds and try connecting again. Enter the password again. Okay, and then hit enter and check if it gets connected this time. If not, then please reset the router and try entering the default password. The next one is to power cycle the modem, router, and the computer. So here's how you can do that. Switch off the modem, router, and computer, all the three devices. Now switch on the modem only. Wait for the lights to be stable. Now switch on the router only. Wait for the lights to be stable, and then switch on the computer. And lastly, buy a new router with a higher security standard. So you can go to amazon.com and search for router and just buy any of the routers which have a newer security standard. Mostly they will only sell the newer routers. Go for the Wi-Fi 6 standard. Okay, now Wi-Fi 6 does not mean that it's a security standard, but if it has Wi-Fi 6, it will definitely have the newest security standards like 802.11ax. Go for at least 9, but you will find it in all the new routers. Okay, you can buy it from any site. I'm just giving an example of Amazon. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.